We'll be shifting our focus from Haryana to Bihar, where all the parties are now firming up their seat-sharing plans. Now in Bihar, the Congress and RJD have formalized their alliance, but the seat-sharing formula, that's still under discussion. Sources have told Times Now that the Congress has sent a list of 16 seats to the RJD. Now of these, 9 seats are those which the Congress contested in 2019. In addition to those, it has asked for 7 more seats. In fact, Congress has sought 16 seats despite having 0 Lok Sabha MPs from the state. Okay, and we will tell you about all the seats, as far as the BJP is concerned, how many seats the BJP had won, how many seats had been contested by the Congress, and the extra number of seats which the Congress is demanding at the moment. Remember, viewers, as far as the seats are concerned, now these seats are part of the proposed list for 2024 as well. Let's take a look at these seats, and I'm going to read them very, very quickly for you. You have Sasaram, and you have Aurangabad, Purnia, Katiyar, then Nevada is there, Samastipur, and Kishanganj as well. So this really is the list of 7 seats. Congress has given the so-called wish list, as we are telling you, to the RJDs, and these is a list of 9 seats, from 2019. Now this is a list of 7 additional seats which they are seeking now. Now, what are these seats? You have Motihari, West Champaran, Patna Sahib, Muzaffarpur, Buxar, Madhubani and Begusarai. So these are the 7 additional seats which the Congress is now demanding. Ranjita on the phone line. Ranjita, how is the RJD reacting to these demands by the Congress, and the possibility? What is the possibility of these demands being fulfilled?
देखिए, अभी जो बिहार में गठबंधन की स्थिति है, जेडीयू के निकलने के बाद कांग्रेस 16 सीटों की डिमांड कर रही है। कल मुकुल वासनिक के आवास पर बैठक हुई थी, जिसमें मनोज झा आरजेडी के सांसद मौजूद थे और बिहार कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष अखिलेश प्रसाद सिंह थे, और वहां 16 जो सीटें जिसका जिक्र हम कर रहे हैं, उन 16 सीटों की डिमांड कांग्रेस की तरफ से की गई। लेकिन सवाल ये उठता है कि लोकसभा चुनाव में जो सबसे बड़ी प्राथमिकता है गठबंधन की, वो ये कि जिताऊ कैंडिडेट किस पार्टी के पास है। इसका मतलब विनिंग कैंडिडेट जो रहेंगे उसकी संभावना ज्यादा होगी। बैठक की अभी आगे भी कहा जा रहा है कि कई और दौर की बैठकें होंगी जिसपे सीट फाइनलाइज होगा। कांग्रेस की 16 डिमांड आरजेडी मानती है या नहीं, क्योंकि वहां वाम पार्टी के साथ भी गठबंधन में है कांग्रेस और आरजेडी। तो ये क्रूशियल हो सकता है, क्योंकि जिन सीटों की डिमांड कही जा रही है उनमें कई सीटें ऐसी हैं जिसकी विधानसभा में कांग्रेस का परफॉर्मेंस बहुत बढ़िया नहीं रहा है।
All right, Ranjita, thank you for joining us with all these details. And as you also said, we'll have to wait and watch how many of these seats does the RJD actually end up giving to the Congress, because Congress may seek 16 seats, but in Lok Sabha, they had literally 0 seats when it comes to the state. We'll have to wait and watch how these talks develop. For now, thank you for joining us with all these details. We slip into a short commercial break. News and updates on the other side.